Today we are going to run my VTuber friends. Hello everyone, my name is Shishurumi and today I'm bothering my friends by calling them. I got this video idea and inspired by Akuma and Nimune, also known as Numi and Slice of Toma. I watched them videos and it's very entertaining and go check them out. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is only for fun and people who are unable to answer are just busy or maybe sleeping. Thank you. And I'm calling Jer bro. Hi Jer.
Ano meron?
I was just wondering how you're doing today, you know. I'm just like, I'm concerned, you know.
Concerned? Bakit? Ano meron?
So basically, I was just ranking on my VTuber friends. Or Otaite. Actually, I'm concerned right now. Kung sino sasagot.
Tangina mo, I'm tired eh. Kakaligo ko na. What?
Ayun. Thank you.
Dude,
Oh.
fucking arm hurts too.
How's your shower?
It was nice. Nag-ano ako shadow boxing ako kanina.
Oh.
Yeah, gulat ako bigla ka tumawag. Yeah,
I will rank you as A. Yeah, let's go. Sumagot ka eh.
Wait, are you streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm streaming right now.
You fucking whore. You bitch.
Bitch.
Hi chat. Your streamer's a bitch.
I hate you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, this is actually fun. Like, but let's put Jer as A. Sumagot si Jer agad eh, no? I mean, not immediately, but let's go. Let's go, Jer. Thank you for answering my call. Sino-sunod? Parang medyo nahiya din ako sa point. Like, at the same time, I don't want to disturb it, and the same, but I want to disturb them. I don't know. Do you get that feeling? Like, do you want to disturb your friends, but you don't want to disturb your friends? Yes. Let's call Haru.
Yes.
Hi Haru, I was just wondering na, alam mo na ba yung yung alam mo naman na love kita, ang cute mo pag nagagalit ka, halika nga anya kita, huwag ka nang magtatampo. Kinabahan ko na. This is our first S. Our first S. Our first S. We have our first S. Let's go. We are doing good. Let's go. I really love this. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for the follow. What is that? Like, oh, here I act. Oh shit, Aki. Oh shit. Aki sold us on my stream. Shit. Oh, mama. My t-shirt is na pala. Oh shit. Wait. Wait, ring na kita. Ba?
Suck my cock, bitch. Suck my...
Putang ina. Wala, nakita niya na. Suck my cock. Oh my god, nahuli tayo. Oh shit, nahuli tayo. Sumagot naman si Aki. Taki nakita na. Ang hirap magtago. Mga viewers ko lang din kasi mga ano eh. Mga kaibigan ko. Lurk and mute ako para surprise. Tangina. Ay, nahuli tayo, shit. Hindi ka sasagot. Kakagatin kita. Oh no. Hindi siya sumasagot. Shit, this is our bro streak. Is it our bro streak again? Oh no, it's a oh, Luca, call me back. Let's go.
Bakit?
Hi Luca, alam mo yung kanta goes ano? Everything goes on.
Yeah?
Wala lang.
Everything goes on. Wait, aren't you streaming right now?
Yes, I'm serving right now.
What the hell, bro? Hold on, I'm setting up my laptop if you want company, bro.
No, I'm making a YouTube video while streaming. So I was making like a tier list who will like S for my friends who answer immediately, A for answer, B for callback, and C for message, and D for bro, which is like they only seen it or you know.
Bro.
Yeah, I will put you on the callback. Nawala na ako ng connection. Ano yun? Tumawag na share ulit. I'm RTC connecting, what the hell? I'm RTC connecting. Oh, yun. Hello?
I called you back, motherfucker.
Oh,
Where's
fuck
my
you.
S plus? Where's my S plus tier? I called you. I took initiative. Where
Putang ina, sir. Tinawagan ako mamali para mapunta ng SS Plus.
I called you back. Where's my S plus?
Sabi. Oh, wait. Tangina mo.
I'm dead, dude.
Oh my god. Tangina, sakit ng tiyan ko. Diyos ko.
Where's my S plus?
Bitch. Wait, saan pa kita nalagay? Wait, paano gumawa ng bagong box dito? Ayan din. Ayan. Tangina, lagay na kita.
Hello, chat.
Hello,
Hello,
Jers
chat.
here again. Kasi Anima
Hi,
nandito.
I'm back. Did you miss me? No, you didn't.
Ayan, Jer.
I should.
You have your own tier list. You have your own line.
Fuck no. Oh, hell no.
Nagtataka ba't may naririnig? Ay, shit.
Ba't daw may nagre-rig? Gaga.
So,
How's the tier list
so far, so far, like, there was a callback and message. Natatawa kay Luca.
Wow.
Tumuyo siya ng kama, nagutom, napatalon siya.
Gagi.
Ay, si Aaron sa
God,
message.
bro.
Message ba?
Natatawa
Natatawa kay Adi, sabi ni Adi mo, may napindot ka ba?
No. Ako,
No.
may napindot.
Si Jerblue, putang ina, tinawagan ako pabalik. Diyos ko.
Yeah.
Kasi noon. Wait.
Sige na,
Okay,
ako mag-go.
okay, thank you.
Sige,
Bye,
no
thank
problem. Bye. How the fuck do I leave ko?
Oh, bro. And I ano, ngayon lang nag-notif sa akin. Ay, thank you for the follow! Jerplo, fuck you, what the hell? Hindi ka pa na-follow sa akin! Bitch, bakit doble follow ko? Wow! Wow, di ka pa nakapalo sa akin. What the hell? Wow! You have the audacity. Oh, you have the audacity. Oh my god. My god, Jer. How cold you. You think you're the bitch? So, nandito na. Tangina mo. Ay, siya, bro. Oh, bakit?
I can explain.
Oh, explain. I give you 1 minute to explain.
Okay, di ba? Nung pinanganak ako, nung bata pa ako nasa Pinas ako.
Yep. Bababaan ko siya. Okay, balik ako sa ulit. Ano?
Di ba? Di ba? Once I was 7 years old.
Tangina mo.
Tangina.
Tangina. Ngayon na napaalam.
Hello.
Wow, all this time, we have been friends for like 4 years na.
Dude, ibababa na ako sa F tier niyan.
Yeah.
Bababa na ako yung flow tier.
The flow tier, yeah, we'll make a flow tier, bitch. You deserve that.
Anong bold?
Anong bold? What do you mean?
Chat, anong bold?
Flow.
No. Anong bab?
Lagay natin SSL.
The flow tier, hindi pa nagpa-follow, gag.
Oh my god.
I can explain.
Yan, gumawa ako ng bago yan. SNS
I can explain.
Wala.
You stream on Facebook.
Yeah.
You used to stream on Facebook.
Bro, that's like a stream test. What the? Tagal na nun.
I'm following you fucking Twitch.
Bitch. Wait.
I'm so dead, dude.
Oh my god, I hate you so much. You went from answer immediately from A tier to SS tier to flow tier
I
to
know.
F tier.
Hey, to be fair, I called you back like multiple times already, so I deserve to be back up.
No. F for F. No, you deserve that line.
Oh, fuck you.
Bitch, okay, bye.
Kage pa.
Oh, what the fuck?
You lock your door and everything.
I did. I literally did, bro.
Well, say hi to stream.
Hi. Hi, stream.
Bro,
Magandang buhay.
I was laughing at your message and yung sabi mo lang, what the fuck? Why you're calling me on stream? What the fuck?
Kaya nga. I was like wondering, why are you calling?
So,
Out of nowhere.
I'm
And then I
making a
checked your
tier
streaming.
list.
Dude trolling or some shit. I see, kaya pala yun.
Si Jer. Sige, thank you na Chib. Thank you for calling me back.
Of course. No problem.
End my streak, Silas. End my streak. Hello, Silas. I was just wondering, you're so amazing and ang galing mo magbuhat ng mga modworks and everything.
Wow. Streaming ka, di ba?
Oo.
Nagawa mo, ha?
Pwede mo silipin.
With tier list dyan.
Bakit may tier list yan? Di ko alam bakit kaya.
Nagawa mo yan. Hindi pala ako na-follow.
Wow! The audacity! Silas! Oh my god, di naka-follow. Ang
Hindi ka naman kasi
sama.
nag-stream sa yun.
Nag-stream ako ah!
Di ba sa YouTube ka?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ba?
Wow, the audacity. Oh my god, Silas. It's been a while.
Lol.
Ilang ganon. I remember our last talk is last year pa.
Last year.
last year. Yeah.
Ito, answered immediately.
Oo.
Answered immediately. Answer. Call back.
Oh,
Message.
so far ayoko gulo yung iba. Ay, mga invisible.
Don't pa call.
Oo.
On stream. On stream ba si Amay?
O, on stream siya ngayon eh.
Oo,
Kaya,
ano?
kasi nasa collab siya, so I don't want to call.
Okay, collab. Helldivers.
Oo, in collab. Sige. Thank you for answering my call. Oh my God.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my God. Tawa ng tawa kasi put ng ina, nakakausap ko yung mga di ko nakakausap like for a while and it's just funny like to interact with them kahit last year pa kami nag-interact. Tingnan natin. Kaya talo, I was just wondering, alam mo ba yung kanta na ano, it goes like, alam mo naman na love kita, akit mo pag nagagalit ka, halika nga ihag kita, huwag ka nang magtatampo.
Sorry, this is 911. How may I help you?
I was just wondering kung alam mo yung kantang yun.
Huh?
Alam mo yun? Anyways.
Yo.
I was just kidding.
Hmm?
So, ano ginagawa mo?
I just woke up.
Good morning. Kumain ka na?
And... Di pa eh. Ikaw na lang ba kainin ko?
Ay, pwede ba? Ay,
Yes.
yes. Ang kalat. Sige.
Okay.
Sige, thank you. Ayun lang.
Alright. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Check mo na lang stream kung alam mo kung paano mo nalaman context or something. Paalam mo context.
Nice. Okay. Nice.
Uy. Okay.
Yun, nag-miss call ka?
Hello, Jazz. Alam mo yung ano? Alam mo yung last Friday night na.
Yeah, bakit?
Wala lang. Sinasabi ko lang kung alam mo ba?
Oo.
Eh di good for you. Hindi good. Hindi maganda. Buti alam mo. Bakit? Ang ginagawa mo?
Kakatapos ko lang ng balo.
Sabi ko
Bro.
na kami na I feel like you're playing something.
Bro, legit, sobrang dikit ng game. Yung kakampi namin, nagwawan, ilang beses nag-AFK. Pero nung second half, hindi na talaga siya bumalik. Yung half score is 6-6.
Oh.
Tapos naging 9-11. Nanalo pa kami, 13-11. Ay! Sarap ng feeling manalo sa deficit. Ay!
Ako naman I was just disturbing my friends. Basically.
Yun ba yung content ng stream mo?
Check mo.
Nakikita ko nga eh.
Abis, ayun na yung pinaka-context nun.
Okay.
Ay, tama na.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Pinag-trip pa ng gugulo. Sige. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Tatawagan ko. Wait lang. Tatawagan ko sa Facebook. Pwede ko siya sa Facebook eh. Tinawagan ko na walang sinasabi. Oh no. Sasabihin ko nice to meet you. Parang creepy guy ka mo, tangina. I mean, to be fair, tatawagan ko random people, like, Oh no, they're not answering. Good. Oh no. Ano, sasagot ba? Tingnan ko lang mamaya sa diffuse yung context. Sige. Hello, nice to meet you. I think, wala. Oh, no. Wala. Yep, wala. Shit. Hindi siya sumagot. So too bad. Oh, no. Ay, may tumatawag. Ay, ayun. Hello po.
Hello?
Nice to meet you.
Naka-stream ka ba ngayon?
Oo. Paano mo nalaman?
Sino tatawag sa akin na hindi naka-stream?
Basically may nag-suggest na tawagan kita.
Bakit? What the fuck?
I think friend mo yung nag-suggest. Siya okay,
si
sabi.
Jazz.
Oo, shout out to. Wait, thank you for the follow.
Dito na ako sa stream mo eh.
Nalaman kung sino. Bilis naman. Nice to meet you talaga.
Nice to meet you, friend.
Nice to meet you.
What was the plan? Ano ba dapat gagawin mo? No?
Wala, basically I was just bothering my friends and lalagay ko sila sa tier list kung sasagot ba sila or callback or message. Oh, so one of my friends, which is Jazz, suggested to someone to call you. Oh.
Ayan.
Sabi niya, explain niya na lang daw. Okay, sabi ko, sige.
Fuck you, Jazz. Takina mo. Gago ka.
Paano mo daw nalaman? Sabi niya.
Dito na ako. Punta ako agad sa stream eh.
Pumunta ka agad sa stream ko.
Kita ko may missed call kasi I was preparing food.
Mm.
Tapos nakita ko may missed call ako and then I went at your page. Tapos nakalagay trolling. Sabi ko, okay. Fucking know what this guy is doing.
What is this guy doing? Nice to meet you talaga eh. Ay, tako pa magde-debut ka.
Yeah,
Kailan debut mo?
Ayoko naman mamayang gabi.
Mamayang gabi na patangina. Patangina. Mamayang gabi na pala. So, shoutout talaga kay Zek. Zek. Magde-debut siya later.
Okay lang naman. Okay, have fun trolling, friend.
Sige,
I have to go
sige.
eat.
Sige, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nice person. Tayo na, parang may nakilala pa ako. Okay. Sayur message me back. Oh my god. May sumagot eh. Hindi ko in-expect na sasagot siya actually. Pogi ako. Sabi ni Sairo, yo Rumi, ano yun? And I replied, pogi ako. Ang active ng chat ko kung kailan ako nang gugulo. Kailangan maganto yung content lagi. Ay, putang nag-callback. Ay, Miyake. Kamusta yung araw?
Nagulat.
Paano gulat?
I was like, ba't ako tinatawagan ni Rumi? Anong ginawa ko sa kanya?
Ano ginawa ko sa akin? Kala mo may issue, no?
May na-miss ba ako or something? Like, bakit? Hello, guys.
Hi. Miyake is here with me na.
Hello po.
Nag-call back siya.
Tsaka si Mas. Diyos ko, nagulat ako kasi nag-aayos pa kami na gamit dito. Ano meron?
As you can see, there's a tier list.
Ano to? Wait, nasaan ako?
Basahin mo.
Oh, call back.
Diba?
Ano meron? Anong gana?
Wala lang, nanggugulo lang.
Hindi kasi mo nakalagay answer immediate.
Oo,
Okay.
tatawag. Itawag. Yung bro is like ano.
Yun lang pala.
Oo.
Galing naman ni Jervlo.
Si Jerflo, kung gago ng gulo yan sa stream ko, may tumawag ng ilang beses. Nang gugulo.
Siguro that's what you get for calling Jervlo.
Tinawagan ko si Jerflo once, and tinawagan niya ako pabalik 3 beses.
Tatlo.
Tapos malaman-laman ko, hindi ka siya nakapalo sa akin. Nag-follow back lang nag-follow lang
Oh,
kanina.
good.
Oo.
Okay, at least okay na siya.
Your moments ay.
Ah,
Sige, sige.
sige.
Thank you, thank you.
Ano,
Hmm.
sa nanonood dito, please don't forget to, follow Rumi.
Make sure to follow me kay din. Nandiyan na siya sa Twitch. Nasa chat na siya.
Sige, sige.
Yeah, sige. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Oh my god. Ang sarap mang gulo talaga. Grabe lahat kami may buhay na kasi. Grabe yung busy pero it's so fun. It was so much fun. Oh, there's my message. What the Marta's message me back. Sabihin ko lang hi. Ay, tinawag ito pabalik.
Buddy,
Hi Martes, kamusta ka?
okay ka lang?
Wala, okay lang ako.
Oo. Hindi.
Wala lang. Kasi I was thinking of the song. Alam mo yung
Huh?
alam mo ba yung
Ano?
alam mo naman na love kita, cute mo pag nagagalit ka.
Tinawagan mo ako for that?
Yes. yes.
I hope you're okay, buddy.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just streaming right now
Oh,
and nakita ko, I was making a tier list actually.
tier list about what? Let me check it out.
Yes, makita mo kung paano tier list yan. I was just messing around with a lot of people right now. Ice.
Naka-DND kasi ako kaya hindi ko narinig.
Ako din usually naka-do not disturb din lang ako.
Naka-DND si buddy.
Kita mo.
Yes. Heist. third
Heist.
tier. Or pang B-tier lang pala tayo. Ang
Pang
friendship
B-tier.
natin.
At least nag-call back ka, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi ko in-expect kasi I was actually expecting you to like, just message.
No. Nagulat ako bigla at tumawag. It's so sudden.
Random eh. No?
Oh, wait a bit. Yeah.
Ikaw yung pinahuli ko eh. Kasi nakalagay grinding comms eh. Parang,
I actually just opened my PC just now.
sabi ko, huli ko na siya. Guluhin ko na lang sa dulo.
Alpagi yan.
Sige.
Ano yung D pala?
Hindi? Miss call?
Yeah.
Dami.
Don't to call.
I don't
Parang
want.
busy.
Wait, mali pa. Bobo. Don't want.
Parang
Oh,
busy.
yan, don't want to call. Yan.
Dahil mo namang friends.
Kunting ulo eh. Mga iba nga nag-hesitate pa ako eh. Sabi ko, tawagan si ko. Takinaya ko eh. Poor. Kasi lahat kasi usually may buhay na eh. Ayan ako lang ito. Nag-i-stream. Ang gugulo.
Priorities.
Yes.
Anyway, I'll go na.
Sige. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, nakaan tayo ng dasal. Grabe.